What is ZCash? ZCash, previously known as ZeroCash, is a decentralized, privacy cryptocurrency which offers its users the ability to monitor the amount of information shared with people they transact with. ZCash is designed to be an open and inclusive financial system which has become a multi-organizational machine. How does it differ to Bitcoin? Bitcoin cannot be traced. However, this has been compromised by emerging malware. There is a real vulnerability of Bitcoin wallets when it comes to hacking attacks and theft. Using malware, the scientists were able to intercept communication between the wallet and PCs. This security breach affects the privacy of Bitcoin users because their funds can easily be diverted to different accounts. While Zcoin also utilizes the technology of Bitcoin's open source code, it has perfected these weak points with non-negotiable enhanced privacy. It is designed to be irretraceable and allows no space for counterfeit coins. How does ZCash differ from other privacy coins like Monero? Monero is strictly a privacy coin. There is no option to change Monero to public. ZCash allows you to share and shield whatever aspect of the transaction you desire. Shielding who is receiving the funds is hidden, but the sender is seen. De-shielding who is sending the funds is hidden, but who is receiving is seen. Private sender and receiver are both confidential. What are ZCash's key features? Usable and efficient, cheap. Reliable, fast, and supported by many crypto wallets. Regulated and audit-friendly. Who is the founder of ZCash? Zuko Wilcox O'Hearn founded ZCash in 2016 and is now the CEO. He is backed by a massive team who work for Zero Coin Electric Company, who work on the development of the ZCash project. The company is also associated with the ZCash Foundation. The ZCash Foundation includes computer scientists, engineers, educators, and developers. By having no one person in control, you are assured the coin is always moving in the right direction. Funds are generated to back research and development, distribute grants to developers, community management, and stay true to Zcoin protocol governance. Special feature one thing that is quite exceptional in relation to Zcoin is that of its Genesis block referred to as the ceremony. The ceremony is built up on multiple parties having a piece of the key. How does the ZCash wallet work? ZCash is one of the coins that has its own Zcoin wallet to transact in and allows you to obtain products, services, other cryptocurrencies, or fiat, making it very user-friendly.